Right, you welcome to Djka Nyan Support TV. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press notification button for more uploads. Anope yebedin komo kakra. Ye nyina yenim ensem a ekwa amanfo bebre na we so ha na we aso ha we so ha na we aso ha. The person in question, ye nua be ma na wo video me Henry face. Oni hwan ehfa no free. Ne ba ne se no kopie mu Koforidua. Oye Koforidua ni ananse nye ho no free. Abrante a friend Henry face udru Koforidua. Koforidua brono bi a friend okrase. Eho ena ne fie ewa. Efie ne yechirima enye fiketo akra. Na de ete ne sa Abrante ne enkrani na abrabo ene de ne kopiem e Koforidua. Okopiem Koforidua. In fact, okobo ne ho mode wankoya akwadro nto ko establish ne ho. Yesi se okokrom nso se hoho ebe krom ne se oye niema pa ohene kura ebodwa ye frɛ no enu nti Koforidua fomrantie ne maba wagye Abrante ni tum e ma ne yete se de Henry efri Koforidua no na ni hotel a osi ya na eye 19 bedroom hotel. In fact na enya asem keto akra ye frɛ ho dear home ɛhɔ enana ye MPs ene enipa atitu Koforidua ɛhɔ enana omo ɛkɔ ɛda sanse ura hotel ho a wo say yes hotel we de eye hotel na Abrante ne said ne ye kan na owusika yie pa 2019 ena oye wedding me patro ne girlfriend bi ane friend de la Abraham no kase kra de o US ɛhɔ na girl na kwa kopiem oye wedding 2019 Royal Century. Na se obekaya sa wedding no ebeye talk of the town. Obia kan wedding no once because ensema ekot even invitation card cry the brewa. Ube biem ne $200 ena ne shim. Ti Abrante no na owusika yie pa. Na wedding na se ye hu etichirufo enintini ene yakuninifo bebre. Na ba na moamu nyina na omo wo ho a na enya asem ketu akra. Wedding ne ekoso ema Abrante yi ene ne yire ebenya enkwala nan ewo wedding ewo aware num eye emema mienu enu achiri osan be ware foforo ema eno nso obenya oba baako bema baako enu achiri nso osan be fa lady bia eno nso one no ewo ye ntu uchirema Henry kitankwala be 7 enya asem ketu akra na obi bebusa se ebanesen ena eye Abrante a your friend Henry. Ewi achire na chese one etitiru ne anintini fo sabe emaya untimi approach omo ne omo na ekọ abonte one omo na ekọ out ni nyina ne se o building no ho da bia meka cho se bema de wusi so a establish ho emfa ho ne looks da bia meka se bema wusi so na so wan establish ho a ebedrum rebi no wan hwa obeka se ye kan nipa kura won ka ho nanso Henry anya akwadro okotena Koforidua no establish ne ho enu ntie ma sika ebedi ni botomu a na Koforidua de enya asem keto a na dodo na bonemrane se illegal. Henry ni din ba akwa Koforidua eda ho no ye frɛ no illegal. On entertainment preview with Akwasi Abuaje ye bra panyin ensem bebre na ne course memo akwa akotie voices no answer na emom de tie ni se enei eniemema beye den ama Henry eba ne sen ena niememu beye den ma no bebre na se aden ema asema o sha ase ntia ana bebre na so se akohwibra ofi ase se oboy ana because de yatie ene de ye te ene se yenua ba Serwaa de bia no wa man kra na nye 2500 Ghana cedis kan sika 25 million e koso sa 5 months enu nti wo ka bomu a emse etimi yi kumase akwan eyi Koforidua akwan no ebi tie niema mu be ye den ema Henry ti Abraham no kasa hotel 19 bedroom capacity hotel no Abraham no kasa die adoma da so a ya ton 1 million Ghana cedis eba ne sen ye toye na ye beton hotel no kra de ensem ne si ye ansa ne ye ba beton hotel no omo ye adwuma hotel no bi etrese wo ho a na obi aba oso boss se bie room we mame ye bie room na ne nipa kra ko yi bed we yi wardrobe we chese wa sha se yi bed spread ni ade no afre boss obi aba ha o yi niema dan na aka se mi ma na ye bie ma na yenim so obeda o yi bed ni ade o se ai me na me se onyi me de ne ka enu nti onfa ntete ne ka so bi adwumayefo no kra kire mu a edrumre bi na Henry timi twa ne ho ekwa adwumayefo no se obi ma ne 1000 Ghana cedis ni etua ne ka or the atia from ACU na obon adwumayefo no bi ebosia sa Abraham no ka se ne dan na ewo Koforidua okrase ni nyina no waton a eniema mu aba beye den edi ama yenua be ma no pa mempese mekasa ama no awa yenko na yenko tie ensam a a course on entertainment preview with the bra penny akwasi abua.
Yes, yeah, Branty friend Henry Face no. Yes, say o Koforidua, Koftown boy. Na Koftown Branty. Enti ko Koforidua ni din komo kakra. Brixton Kwame Obed, entertainment journalist. Afina FIMA FM, so FIMA FM. O Koforidua enko yeni komo kakra. Brixton ultimate camp me makwa aba entertainment review so. So yedi kan no cressa Henry Face Abranti aye hunu one Serwaa Amihere video no oye Koftown Abranti.
Progress in yedi kan mami chia wetie for na Henry Abranti a odi nkwe ewo Koforidua no. Se me chiremu yi a onye obi a meka se ofi kromu a na mmom no ha na wabetena odi nkwe na wa establish na ho.
Okay. So how many years near Nebia when you atena honum sa ache?
In the last 6-7 years in India, and then I net possibility say bebono high, but in the last 6-7 years in India, and
so as entertainment journalists, they were so true from video better abonting when we branch here no Koforidua or ti honum send a tear getting common I cost or honum see.
Well, back was so back Koforidua to see ameno Casadia, Obuni Becca's mixed feelings. Yedi kan Henry na Casano, Oba Koforidua, a dinya do dona dinim your friend illegal.
A friend say
illegal.
Illegal.
Yes, illegal.
As brofo illegal a word yeah.
Yes, go for word illegal.
I didn't know friends sir.
And not dear. And so on one obeti matchroom, it is a dear or no wajatum say and fan friend or no. It is ana Kumuadi ubia a friend of illegal.
Illegal.
Yes.
And to say Unana more person man fans are no one who flew illegal.
Yes, Ubudin illegal now over Joso. So if you want also a chawadi and sending some so.
Okay. Yet you.
Eti sana mekane illegal abanti bia ye na na tikromu ha odi ni nkwe wa hanom our establishing mo the year 2019 na ne kanchima ya friend de la kromu a obi ani se friend de la okoye no wedding ewo the royal senchi that wedding no eti true ni anything about pa because I quite remember say young sister na banamwa was present at the point kwa no na 2-1 amount to say or MC. Apart from one, other active personalities being so about the BC. Now, brother, this is our wedding, you know. Before every more invitation, the invitation is shown. Now, the invitation, you want. Well, who crown and then $200.
Eh?
Yes, invitation for a 2019 illegal wedding over the Royal Centino. The more invitation, $1.
Hey.
Me can yi SSUD say illegal abanti bia or well established to Koforidua pa. It is an American 2019 and abaru bia friend de la. Prime no ka say de wa kopio US abuchimemu. E ho and okoye no wedding 2019 on the la na wo mufa.
Anope Serwaa Amihere so e live na ne live no ensam a e call so ene se de ne nkofo bi e tro no enye asem ketu akra ebi say in fact you are a strong woman ebi nso say giant nkofo krunum echidie ebi nso say chese waya ade say the wasi bi bounce back strong no in fact omoni any ajepa Serwaa Amihere sa Abraham no ka say odi anigye eye na dwuma wo hwe nanim a bibi ene wa chese bibi ato sister ne so anaze bi a asem bi eye ne ya eno nti ni followers amo penasem nyina no mo hu se mo nipa no ana mo sister no ono no onfa boge emfa enye swine obi said this too shall pass, stay strong, sending hearts to you. Anopena in fact The lady was looking great, looking very gorgeous. Enya asem ketu akra. Abusiafo, do pay money transfers in control. Ebi ana or Canada or US. So person send this kind of the bagana. So application we anyway we use to download the Android phone or Apple phone or download we now send this kind. I use me promo code no Djka. You see or first time. Ubenya $5 then the account sika ho. Eno achi de o send their brand Ghana nso no ye ntene kapre ana asempo ajupe amansan boafo me da se oje bre na otie me se wa me here call live no ma me video ne kakra nchro na ye hwese de na ye nuaba na osibi looky and the comments nso a esan eba subscribe to this channel na press the notification button for more uploads. Macrow, bye bye.
8 years ago or it is now, it is the same do so. So sorry, me and you do so.
Okay.
And we should forge ahead and fix the problem we have. After 57 years of independence, we still cannot produce enough electricity for the citizenry. It's very, very sad. Let's forge ahead and solve our problems.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kukwa. We appreciate the call, and that's the frustration of almost every Ghanaian because, like I said, last night I slept without light, and I'm sure that that's a story for many Ghanaians as well. Well, government has said there isn't Doomso, or they don't want to call it Doomso, and it's Doom CSE. What is the situation now? We understand that the problem is supposed to have been fixed, and what we may be experiencing are localized faults. Well, one of the things we'll be discussing on the show is that Greco has reported ECG to the Energy Ministry. We are waiting to see the outcome of it. And so that will be it for the segment. Thank you so much for the calls. However, after this, we're going to have legal matters with Mutala Inusa, and Lantam is around the corner. We'll tell you also what's in the newspaper. Stay with us. Sorry? Don't mind him. Don't mind him. Did you oversleep? I know. I think I was so sleepy. Waking up was such. Yeah, work at tape. Okay, wait.
The waking up was
it was so. Oh, it's too much. If I hear you, it was very difficult. I was so sleepy.
Waking up was not waking.
It wasn't waking.
I called you.
I saw it later.
Oh,
that's when you woke up.
I was leaving
the house. Okay. Hey, hola. CJ, she's been speaking. Right, you're welcome back to the show. This is GH Today. I am Serwaa Amihere and
I'm Lantam, and we're excited about this Friday. Of course, Serwaa has been taking you through the morning, taking your calls. A lot of you talking about what's on your mind. And one thing that got to me was a caller who was talking about the Doomsday situation, because that is one of the things that really gets to me.
That's cool.
Because we have a power situation on our hands. Why are we not being told what the reality of the situation is? And why are we not being given enough information in order to plan? And why are lights going off without us knowing? Since the beginning of the year, even before the beginning of the year, our lights have been going off haphazardly without any formula.
Yeah.
You are going home, you expect to have lights, you get home, there's no lights, and then the things that you had planned to do, you are unable to do.
Yeah.
You'll be like